Hi, my name is Shrish Patel, and I'm going to be talking about data mining and targeted ads. What is data mining and targeted ads? Well, data mining is the analysis of large amount of data to find patterns or knowledgeable and useful information. A lot of time this is done through the process of machine learning, which Google uses a lot, and also like credit card companies use it to make sure you're the person swiping the credit card or the one that owns the credit card. Targeted ad is a form of advertising that focuses on the consumer. In this case, you would make a profile of the consumer, of their interest and like on location and other informations. Some techniques used by Google Ads and even Facebook is contextual targeting, placement targeting, interest-based advertising, and language targeting. Contextual targeting is, let's just say you visited a web page on how to learn to skateboard. On that page, you're gonna see the word skateboard used multiple times. That frequency of the word skateboard tells you the main topic of that page is skateboarding. Also, in bold and big letters, you're gonna see for the title, learning how to skateboard or how to skateboard. Based upon those things, you could assume what that web page is about, and based upon that you could actually put ads of the nearest skate shop to get that user use or get that person viewing the web page to go to that website. Placement targeting is, let's just say you're looking for something that's related to music, but you're also a musician. For that reason, you might want to find the nearest instrument shop for the person. Interest-based advertising is advertising where you would make a profile on the user, and based upon that profile you would sell ads, or not sell ads, but you would show ads that the user is more likely to click on. Language targeting is used a lot on YouTube, where let's just say there's a video in English and another video in Spanish. For that video that's in Spanish, it's more likely to get ads that are in Spanish, and vice versa. Facebook is a little bit different than some other companies. Other companies need to make the personal profile for each user. Well, in Facebook's case, you would make your own personal profile because you would put things that you're interested in. You would put your pictures. Put you would put like the pay or the places you visited. Pretty much everything you would do on Facebook, Facebook would use. And they do this by using filters for their business customers to target ads in the newsfeed. Some of the filters they use are age, gender, geolocation, interests like books, music, even movies, hobbies, gadgets, and they would also see the devices that are accessing the Facebook servers, and they would use something called network analysis, where they would look at your friends list and then their friends list and their friends list and see how all of these lists are connected to you. Where the interests like movies would come in handy is, let's just say you've liked a lot of pages of action movies. Well, based upon that, you could assume that you like action movies. And let's just say there's an action film that critics will say are going to be really good this weekend. Well, what Facebook would do is they'll put the trailer of that movie in your newsfeed. How companies get these data? Well, at the end of the day, when you use something that's free, you're the person that they're selling. In this case, you'll be those data. So let's just say services like email, for example, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Hotmail. Using machine learning, the you would go through every email and then find connections and make a profile and like edit the profile on you. That's what these companies would do using something called machine learning. They won't go into every page and every email and look through it. The computer will do that. Maps does the same thing. Search, same thing. Mobile payment, digital wallet, like Apple Pay, Android Pay, PayPal, Venmo, whatever you buy, when you bought it, the location you bought it, all of this information is useful for advertising. And mobile operating systems tend to have this built in. So Android is open source and is free, but the thing most people don't realize is Android, their built-in apps are Google apps, like Google Maps, Gmail, Google Search, Android Pay. You're pretty much in Google's environment. That way Google could get as much information out of you as possible. These are some of my sources I've used.